everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can tie the Bull Hitch knot. Let's get started. To begin, I'm going to take a piece of rope and fold it evenly in half. I'm going to take that folded piece over a ring, send it around so there's this nice loop right behind, where I can pull the two remaining ends through that loop. Now instead of pulling this tight to make a lark's head knot, I'm going to take this loop and I'm going to twist it to form another loop, and then I'm going to send this loop over the ring. And then I just pull it tight and cinch it up to secure the knot. And there you go. That is how you can tie the Bull Hitch knot. It is as simple as that. Now, a second way to tie the Bull Hitch knot is to take your end of rope and send it over your ring and pull it through. Then we're going to cross that strand over your other side of your rope, twist it around to come through the loop. Then I'm going to take it off to the side and I'm going to pass it back through my ring. So it's going to come behind the ring. And then I'm going to send it down through both of these loops we just formed. And I just pull it all tight. To form my knot. And that is just a second way you can tie the Bull Hitch knot. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.